What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Catch Me Outside Fishing. For today's video, I'm going to go over something that I was a little skeptical about. Hadn't really explored too much. But now, my opinion's completely different. We're talking about river fishing for largemouth bass. River fishing. And I already know what some of you are going to say already. You're going to say, look, there's nothing in rivers. I don't catch anything in rivers. All I catch is seaweed. It's all goop. There's no bass. Well, the truth is, until recently, I kind of thought the same thing. But what I also found out is you find the right spots and you fish them correctly, there's actually a lot of good fish in there. A lot of big fish in there. Now, I spoke with a few locals, whether it was on the bank, at the ramp, before I even got into these rivers, and I was always asking them, what do you guys think? Do you catch anything? They always said the same thing. No. But I gotta tell you, I'm sorry, buddy. If you're on a dock and you're telling me you don't catch fish and you're complaining and you've been out there for 8 hours, and I look at your setup and you got a little bobber and a worm and you're pulling in sunfish, I just don't feel bad. I don't feel bad. Do something else. The moral of the story is, put the freaking bobber down, dude. Okay, but in all seriousness, what I really found out is you gotta understand the pattern of the river that you're at. You gotta understand what they're feeding on. And what I found is that the current obviously plays a huge factor. Another huge factor is your lure selection. You can't use something that's a light green or a green pumpkin. You might catch some fish, but as soon as I switch to those black lures, bang! And I'm telling you guys, once you see this footage, I'm telling you, once you find that pattern, you get a ton of big fish. And I mean a ton of big fish. If you find the right selection, I was flipping a lot of stuff, I was trying a bunch of stuff, and you'll see at one point in the video, we see a bunch of little bait fish that are kind of in a ball in the middle of the river, and we knew that at that point that they were going to be in the channels. They were going to be in the channels, and that's what they're feeding on. So we switched to a lot of different paddle tails and moving baits, and it made all the difference. But look, I got some great footage for you guys. Ended up catching some monsters in some of these rivers that I went to. I'm so pumped to show you guys. But I also wanted to take just a quick second to say thank you, everybody, for all the support you guys have shown me so far. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe the video. And most of all, I just hope you guys have fun. These are supposed to be fun videos. There's some good times. Excuse my language in most of parts, but I think you're really going to enjoy the video. Thank you guys all so much for all your support. Peace out.
Something. Up ahead on this bend should be good. It's weird, it's actually getting shallower. It's weird, I read online some people bitching about the current, but it doesn't seem the current pushes you that much. There's definitely a little current, but it's supposed to get deeper somewhere in here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good one, dude. Oh yeah. I need the net. Oh god, this might be a 5-pounder, dude.
Which side do you want?
On this side, on this side. He's running. He's under.
Jesus, Nick, he's huge.
Let's go! Let's go! Fuck. He fucking...
Nice side of the mouth. Look at that fucking thing.
Oh my god.
Sir.
Dude, check the size of this thing. Holy shit. Woo! That's a big old belly. Let's see how we're doing. fucking hate this rod. I had a nasty spin rod and I fucking ran it over with my trailer like an idiot. Oh, you fuck. Something hit right on the weed line. This rod is fucking trash though, so. This rod is horrible. It's so stiff that I. Caught my first big one today, but we're moving spots. Why are we moving spots? Reason number one. Jamie needs a fucking fish. You heard him. Reason number two, we're gonna go get deep water. So let's do it. Get this man a fish! What's going on? We're out here in the Nashua River with my boy Drew. About to catch some meatballs. This place looks fucking sick. Got tons of structure. Let's see what we can get. Oh baby. Give me my first topwater fish. Give me my first topwater fish. Come on. I got shit on topwater, it's here. Come on. Come on, someone wants a froggy. Come on, baby. I know someone wants the frog, dude. No way someone doesn't want this. Come on, someone wants to suck this thing, dude. Look at this thing, dude. Someone wants to fuck. Holy shit, dude. There's got to be something under here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Look at this fucking tree, dude. Give me a break. Gotta have a meat. Come on. I know you want this froggy. Come on. You want this froggy. Come on, baby. Oh, it's not too big. Oh! Oh my God! Did you see that?
Oh, is that just seaweed or?
No, something came up, dude.
A few moments later.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God, dude. Look at that. It's a bunch of fucking bait fish. Dude, you see that? Look at them all flipping. Oh my God, there's like little bait fish in here. Oh, something is in there. Oh, it was a meat splash, not a dink. Oh my God. Dude, can you get the net? Stay down, buddy.
Right here.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, dude, this is a meatball.
Dude, bring it in.
Oh my God, look at the size of him.
He's in the way.
He's gonna come under the boat, dude. I need you to help me out here. Oh my!
Oh! There he is. Dude, take that thing out.
Oh my god, dude.
Numb.
Oh my god, this thing is a fucking
Oh, dude.
chunker. Let's go. Says 14 feet here, dude. There's got to be something in here. Oh, I thought that was a meat, dude. It was. Dude, just sometimes it feels like there's something just waiting to inhale that shit. Oh, I got a good one, dude. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, here I go.
Oh, let's go. Another meat. Oh, yeah.
Probably got something in it.
Very good one. Take it. Look at all these fucking stumps and shit. You're gonna tell me there isn't a meat stick waiting in the darkness? Guess that's the spot down there, though. I feel like that's where the meats. That's where the meats assemble. They do their meat meeting. All right, all you. We are the meat.